Hi, you see in this question we have a circular disc of radius r. Okay, so I'll make the disc here, and within the disc this is the center. Okay, now in the circular disc of radius r, we are saying it carries charge density of sigma 0 1 minus r by r at distance r. So let's say there is another circle. At this r radius. Okay, and of width dr. Okay, so we have taken a slice of the circular ring, yeah, and that has a radius r and width dr. Okay, and surface charge density is given by a function wherein sigma is equal to sigma 0 1 minus r by r. Now what they are saying is once this circular disk is within a sphere which is enclosing this disk completely, then the electric flux is phi 0. Okay, so that means phi 0 is equal to q over epsilon 0. And what is the total charge content? Total charge content will be whatever is on the circular disk because radius is same. Okay, radius r. This is r by 4 actually. And what they are saying is that in a scenario wherein we put this in a sphere which has radius r by 4, then we have flux phi. So phi will be dq over epsilon 0. This also is actually q enclosed over epsilon 0. So q enclosed will be q enclosed in the whole circular disk from 0 to r radius. While in case of phi, it will be circular disk with a radius of r by 4. Because a sphere having radius r by 4 will accommodate only 1/4 radius of the circle because the biggest diameter of the sphere would be diameter of the circular ring, right? So we'll find dq. So what is dq here? dq is equal to sigma, and what is the area on this disk? Area is 2 pi r dr. So we'll integrate this. In both the scenarios, we'll have to calculate dq. Okay, so this I'll call as dq0 over epsilon 0, and this I'll call as dq over epsilon 0. So this is 2 and this is equation number 1. So then what we have to find is what is phi over phi 0. That is equal to dq over dq0, right? Now these values will be integration within their own limits. So what is dq? dq is sigma into 2 pi r dr, wherein the limits are from 0 to r by 4. Above is dq. Okay, 5 by 50. Okay. 5 was the initial one. That means charge is completely is 5. So, 5 is in case of 0 to r by 4. Huh? So 5 by 5, 5 0. Okay. So this will become, and another scenario will be 0 to r. Sigma n to 2 pi r dr. So that means 2 pi sigma is common, not sigma. Okay, now sigma is a function of r. We know that. Okay, so we'll put this as sigma 0 over 2 pi sigma 0. So this cancels out this. And in integration, we have 2 pi. So the 2 pi we already adjusted. R into the inside of the sigma thing, 1 minus r over r dr. 0 to r by 4. And this is 0 to r, the same thing, r 1 minus r over r dr. Few small mistakes which I have made, I'll correct it. This small r, okay, and this is missing. No? So that works out to, we'll go a little down and see what it comes to. That is equal to, I'll rather go straight here. So it will come 0 to r by 4. R is, as it is r minus r square by r dr over same thing, 0 to r minus r square by r capital R dr. Now we know that this will be equal to, what is r dr? R dr is going to be r square over 2. What is r square over r? That is r cube over 3r. Limits are 0 to r by 4, and down you have same thing, r square over 2 minus r cube over 3r, okay, 0 to r. We'll put these values and see what comes up. So we get r square over 32, first one, minus, what is r over 4 whole cube? That is going to be r cube, 4 4 the 16, 4 the 196. That is 64 anyway. Let's keep it like this. Yeah, this is 32. Okay. So this r adjusted becomes r square. And down you have r square over 2 minus r cube over 3r, which is actually r square over 3, right? That works out to 32, and 3 into 64 is 192. So 32 and 192 would be, what is the LCM for 32 and 192? That will be 192, 32, 6 are 192, that is 6r square minus r square, that is going to be 5r square over 190. And down you are going to have r square by 3 minus r square by 6 is, this will be 6, 3 r square minus 2 r square. So that will be r square over 6. So that's 5, r square gets adjusted with r square, 5 into 6 over 192. Right, now we'll divide. 6 is 6 3 is 18, 32. That is 5 over 32. I think some mistake I have done. So phi is charged is completely through large, phi 0 is through whole disk, and phi is through r by 4 disk. So I have taken phi over phi 0. So phi, okay, I have made the mistake. So I have to find phi over phi 0. Phi 0 is 1 with full disk. No, 1 with complete charge. So basically reversal of this. So 5 over 50 is equal to just opposite of this. That's a mistake I have made. So it will be 32 over 5. Okay, that is 5 6 are 32, 6.4. That is 6.4 is to 1. So conceptually, I hope you have understood. This was like too simple a problem. I'm wondering why they didn't put it in mains. So that's why I covered this problem in mains only. Thank you.